Hello Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of May. Virgo, we are officially in Gemini season. Now remember, you and Gemini shares a Mercury. So I'm getting a lot of talking between Virgos and Geminis, okay? Or a lot of clarity will be unfold, okay? Channel message Virgo, I'm getting not for sale. I'm getting the Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. I'm getting an item that was purchased and could be resale. I'm getting the label now says not for resale. You know, when you buy certain products, it says not for resale. You can't resell it. You know that? See, you can't go on Carrot. You can't go on fucking Kijiji or Craigslist or wherever the fuck you want to go. You can't resell it. It's not for resale. You ever see those products? It says not for resale. I'm getting something is not for resale. So I'm getting you're the last person to buy it. And you can't sell it again. I don't know what this is. I was also getting Mercury. I'm getting the planet of Mercury. Virgo, you and Gemini rule Mercury. Alright, so I'm getting not for resale. Something is not for resale, so you're stuck with it, whether you like it or not. I don't know where I spend my money on buying now. Can you see this? That thing here? This look like something would have killed me. I'm getting you can't resell it. It's not for resale. I'm not sure if the price dropped drastically so you're going to lose money or you have to let it go for free, or I'm getting you bought it specifically so it could not be sold to somebody else. So I'm not sure if a contract is bought out, okay, but I'm getting something is not for resale. You buy it, that was a sale, final sale, you can't resell it. I'm not sure what this is or what kind of government property this is, but it's not for resale. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Yeah, it's not for resale. It's not. It's not for sale. No, it's not for resale. I'm getting a bite already, and no, it's not for resale. Or that's what the tag says. Go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo. Maybe there's something you cannot sell. It just won't sell. It won't sell. We have the Five of Cups. Yeah, it won't sell or something is not for resale. The Five of Cups is after a failed relationship, but the Five of Cups lead to the Six of Cups. One apology is all it takes. Acknowledging what happened is what it takes for at least get your foot into the door. Because maybe you say, oh, okay, you know what, this is finished, I'm not dealing with this anymore, I can't sell it. I'm getting you cannot sell it again, it's not for resale. I'm getting you stuck with it, but you're unhappy. But the 5 lead to the 6. So I'm getting an apology. We have the Page of Wands. I'm getting something about Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have the Knight of Pentacles. I'm getting... It feel like Leo reading. You're saying that you invested a lot of money, you invested so much in this. You don't want to give up on it, but you're like, you can't see no other way how to navigate this. Now you might be a younger gentleman. I'm getting somebody saying, but you're not using it. Just sell it to me now, I can get a lot of money for it. And somebody's like, it's not for resale, it's not for resale. And then the younger person is like, okay, so you're just going to have it sitting down doing nothing. You could have gotten money. I'm getting this young person one bite. We have the Emperor, okay, Aries energy, and we also have the Ace of Swords. So you might be holding something for the Emperor. I'm getting you now use it, you're not. I'm getting the Emperor one bite. I'm getting the younger guy come to you and ask you for selling it to him and you say no. I'm getting the Emperor come to you and say you can sell it to me, and I'm getting your negotiating price. I'm getting the younger one is saying I was here first, so I never sell it to me. Because I get the money fee. I'm getting you had certain type of respect for the Emperor, so you decide for I'm getting you negotiate something with the Emperor. Okay? Now this could be something about father and son. Because we don't know if your son had a failed relationship. And your father is telling you what you need to do. You need to apologize. You need to do these things for you to get your foot back in the door. I'm getting you to talk to your father about this. No, I'm also getting you and your father in an argument because your father is telling you that I gave you money for you and this girl. So why the girl a struggle? I'm getting your father say this does not look good on the family. It don't look good on me. I gave you money for you and her. Why is she still a struggle? So I'm getting your son may have did something else with the money. Cause that's like your son come to you telling you that him and him girlfriend or him and him wife have financial problems. Me getting you give your son money for take care right. Your son gamble the money or spend off the money and the girl left him anyways. And him don't know how to come to you and him a come to you and him a tell you oh she can't satisfy. Man, I did everything and she can never be happy. Me getting him never tell you what I'm doing with the money where you give him. Cause the girl end up leave anyways. And yeah say, look how me get the girl money, look how me do this for the girl and she leave. Me getting your son not tell you. The son, or me don't know if the son hide the money. Cause me getting you saying, son, it don't look good on us. And your girlfriend and your wife, everybody know my family. Here's some money, clear up what you and this woman go through. Me getting your son never did that. Him take the money for himself. The girl still did leave him anyways. So me don't know if this is something where you're gonna start. Sir, are you planning to date your son's ex-girlfriend? Cause I'm getting tell the son what to do. You're giving the son money. The son do what him want though. Cause him selfish. Me getting the emperor. I gotta start fucking ex-girlfriend. Your dad's gonna be fucking your ex-girlfriend. The 5 of Cups is clarified by the 3 of yeah. Cause me getting some. You got it back. Them turn. See back. Both backs are turned. Can you turn your back on somebody? When you getting your father give you money or your father tell you what to do, you don't listen to him. I know you're not talking to the girl, you're not telling your father the real reason why. The Page of Wands is clarified by the Lovers. See? The Gemini card. You're madly in love with this woman. Then why would you abuse her? You're madly in love with her. Okay, so why you want to give her what the fuck she asks you for? Cause me getting all day, all night, all you do is talk about this woman, but you never do what your father tell you to do. So me getting be mindful, your father might take your bitch. The Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the 7 of Wands. And me getting the money will get cut off now. So now the father was giving you money to help out you and your girlfriend. You take the money for yourself. Your father got to fuck your girlfriend and give her money. So now you're going to be like, how you going to give this girl money and not give me money and I'm your son? Because son, me give you money for you and this fucking girl and you never blood clot the way you were supposed to do. Me getting you cut off from daddy money now. Whatever money this is, you cut off from it. The Emperor is clarified by the 4 of Cups. Me getting your father used to drink and him stop drinking and him get very slim. Like your father get really, really slim. Me getting something about alcohol too. Rum. Me getting something about the scent of rum. You smell like rum, Emperor. Emperor, you might be going into an interview with a client. You smell like rum. Or you smell like alcohol. You stink of alcohol. Your breath stink of alcohol. I don't know if you don't know what, like me getting your breath stink of alcohol. The Ace of Swords is clarified by the 10 of yes. So the family here. Or so the family here that your Emperor father wants. I'm getting your father was me getting the reason why your father even give you the money in the first place. And because the father did like the girl. Maybe your dad want to help the girl and you keep a tell your father no, she don't want your help. Me getting a lie. Me getting you got instructions or money for the something and you did something else. You take the money and go on vacation. You take the money and do what you want with the money. And me getting somebody asks you about the girl who you claim you love and you claim say you couldn't afford, that's why you need money or blah blah blah. Me getting the Emperor gave it to you. But me getting no, yeah, you still can't show the face of the person the Emperor give you money for help. So I don't know if the Emperor gonna show up somewhere, the Emperor gonna take matters in them own hands. I'm not sure if the Emperor is doing a favor for them son. Like, let me talk to her. But me getting your father like your girlfriend. Like her. Me not get your father want fuck her. That's not what me getting. Even though he probably want to. I'm getting him really like her. We have Shark. We have religious agenda. We have Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? Today is Wednesday. We have Aquarius. And we also have Leo. Yeah, come I'm getting... I don't know. I'm getting you spend off the money with you and your friend them. You and your friends. We're getting something about a Leo. Some argument about a Leo. I'm going to leave it here, Virgo. Until next time. Bye.